So in this RBC app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a US checking account here on the RBC mobile application. So once you have RBC opened up, what I want you to do is where it says account overview, you can either press on open an account or go to the bottom right and press on more, and then scroll down to where it says products and then press on open an account. Once you're on this page here where it says what account are you looking for, I want you to go to the top and press on a checking account. And then once you're here on this page, it'll show you a bunch of different checking account options. If you're looking to open up a US checking account, simply just scroll down to where it says US personal account. For frequent US travelers, go ahead and press on this. Now once you're here, it'll go ahead and show you what this actually means. So 6 free debits per month, $1.25 per debit thereafter, and no minimum balance. If you also want to view the fee table as well, you can go ahead and do that. And the most important thing here with this US checking account, it is obviously in US dollars. So make sure you guys before you guys open up this account, if you're looking to do that, you read through everything. And once that is done and you want to open up the American account, go to the bottom, press on open an account in minutes, and then follow the steps that way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to open up a US checking account on the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.